Hi, Wing7 here, and today I'm playing some Sheep Wars. It's snowing, which is seasonally appropriate. Ooh, presents. Um, but let's go. Firstly, I gotta jump into the lobby. Go games, and then, before we begin, 2 layers this year, and then let's begin. Kit selector. Um, let's do this. Munitions. It's been a while. Can't remember which ones I liked. Um, I don't know if that person has a rainbow scouting area. But yeah, in case you've forgotten, it's right click. Okay, that was embarrassing. Uh, right click for gravity shot, left click for straight shot. Let's just play again. Same kit. Someone said I enjoy long walks on the beach and playing Hypixel. But yeah, right click gravity shot, left click um omens, so right click gravity, left click straight shot. Right click deals more damage, and I think the left click one will stick to what it hits. No, you can open these doors. That's cool. Would be cool if there was like a secret room back there. Blindness? I guess I find it's a secret room. Not buying this one. Magic wood. You can shoot it for power up. I missed. Nope. Oh. Thought I got knocked off the edge. Oh, that bounced me right up. Oh, and now I'm off the edge. And we lost. Woof! That was hard. But yeah. Look at this. So if I left click, if I right click, maybe the earthquake sheep isn't affected by this. Left click, yeah, holds. But I guess the earthquake sheep isn't affected by that. So it's most interesting with the high explosive sheep because the two explosive ones that have explosive in their name deal extra damage with the right click shot. The homing sheep does not. That's why I specified. But the high explosive sheep takes some time to explode, so you know it's a bit of a balancing thing because you can have it with left click and stick to stuff, but with the right click it'll deal more damage. It's not just aiming. And also distance, I guess. Left click. Someone had said in the last video, I hear the homing sheep, and honestly, that makes sense. Oh, that person just got launched back. Um, Boy, do I like it when it launches me between areas. Especially considering the alternative is being launched straight off the map. Oh, that's not demon sheep, that's homing sheep. Understandable mistake considering the homing sheep was emitting hearts. Oh, fine. Oh, come on! That healing sheep, I was like, finally, I need a heal. Went straight through the ground. Explosive, that's too much. Wander across. I'll jump across. Oh, we aren't doing great. Funny, I do one game off camera. I win it. Although, of course, I fell off before, but there was just one person hiding in like a weird corner. And like they survived until like two high explosive sheep showed up and just boom. They tried to get me. Okay. Oh. That's not the right thing. Oh dear. I have to keep in mind I have to be on the lookout for things that could be used for a thumbnail. I'm going to put enough on this team. Great. Oh dear. Okay. That was that game. Which hit this time. You know what? I think I like munitions. Let's see if I can land on the roof. No, I cannot land on the roof. Oh! That was unexpected. How many yards do we? Magical. Oh! 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 Oh, why do they just stay there? How long do they stay there for? I think that might be the thumbnail. Look at these screenshots. Yep, we won. GG. Gives karma, I guess. And let's replay. So let's go to Bowman. I'm on red. Poison. That was fun. That was like a big threat. Okay. There. It's really weird how long the corpses just stay around. Oh. GG. It's really good. Not many players right now. Okay. I really like that animation. It's high quality. And in the back. Oh, this is the space. Little Hypixel fun fact. In the AFK areas, there's a an area that's like type/lobby to return to continue playing, and then it writes that in a bunch of different languages. The thing is, the oh, probably should have been focusing. The right to left languages are written left to right, or at the very least, Hebrew is. couldn't check Arabic because it's like, kind of looks like it's kind of like a cursive, like typeface. So you can't easily tell, oh, this is this character, this is this character, and that's encoded, unless you know the language, which I don't. And I also don't know if any of the other ones are written right to left, but yeah, those two, when you just run them through Google Lens, Hebrew and Arabic, the translation doesn't make sense. And that appears to be, at least for Hebrew, they're backwards. I don't know how to report that, but that is a bug. That's a hole to the void. I don't think that's a bug. Oh. Well, I'm the only person in this lobby. Oh, now people are joining. Okay. 1 second. Gotta go. Sorry, I'm back. There was just a bit of a disruption. Let's check this. Do a bunch of let's hop back in. Hopefully, it shouldn't be that long. Still the bowman. Hit. I was just thinking about titles. Oh, just click in. Oh. Like explodes missile interception works better if typed out. That just went through the ground again. That's probably a more important bug than maybe I should try using left click. Come on. I love how I got just 2 in a row, and now I'm 2 shot down in like quick succession, and then now I'm doing more and I can't get 1. Not even really getting a chance. I'll see you in a bit. Unfortunately, it appears the same button, the same key I'm using to pause and play, also opens the player, the social interactions menu. So that's annoying. Don't even really use it. Oh, that just landed here. let's just shoot that. That's a lot of earthquake sheets. Oh, oh, that's for the red team. That's unfortunate. Oh, one. GG. Okay. Be back in a bit. 10 seconds, hopefully. This is where the boat goes out. That's not good. Oh, okay. Not very good at this. Okay. I really just want to shoot down more sheep. Can you shoot down sheep with sheep? It's probably about as old. Roughly the equivalent of say not impossible. Not exactly easy. Oh, shot down my sheep. Not that. Oh, something, yeah. They are just annoying. I don't know. So the left click shot seems to be a go or something. Not always, it's weird. I don't know what just happened there. Again went through the ground. Oh. Okay. Maybe one more game? Sure, one more game and hopefully I shoot it down. Let's try Raider though. I don't think I'm really going through that many rows. Why is it shooting babies? Hello. I'm back. Tried adjusting the mic a bit. Hopefully the radio kit will help me with hitting the sheep that come over here. Don't particularly know how to fight players with the swords, but um um oh, what's this? Kill a player with explosion damage? How's that an achievement? Isn't that the point of the game? No, really points more to knock people off than... Let's see who wins though. We won! Okay. Okay, so I think that'll do it for today. Except the slightly gears there's a parkour. Wait, we have a bit filter. Select. So that will do it for today. If you enjoyed, please consider hitting the like button or subscribing. And I will see you in the next video whenever that is. And hopefully I'll do better next time. And there's a watchdog announcement. Don't cheat. And hopefully I can make that jump. I really want to make that jump before I end the recording. And remember to put right to left languages, or right to write them from right to left and not put the same letters from left to right, because that can end up with some weird mistakes. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!